back with another video, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make the square version of African flower granny square. You will learn step by step how to make this. If you are new in this channel, remember to subscribe and click on the bell to receive the notification of my new videos. Let's go with step by step. At first, make 6 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and join with the slip stitch to the first chain and make a ring. Then make 3 chain as 1 double crochet and then make 15 double crochet into the circle. After that, join with the slip stitch to the third chain of the first of the row, cut the yarn, and you can fasten off by this method. With the needle, move under the second stitch and then insert the needle inside the first stitch. Here is our tail of the yarn, and then move between the stitches and cut it. For round 2, join the second color between 2 double crochet spaces and make 3 chain and 2 double crochet in the same space, and then 1 chain and leave 2 double crochet and move into the next space between 2 double crochet, and in there make 3 double crochet and 1 chain. Again, leave 2 double crochet and into the next space between 2 double crochet make 3 double crochet and 1 chain. Repeat this until the end. 3 double crochet, 1 chain. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the third chain, cut the yarn and fasten off. I love this way to ending my rows, that there is no sign of tail of the yarns in the end. As you can see. And then move on between the stitches and then cut the tail of the yarn. In the round 3, bring the next color and into the 1 chain spaces make 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet. In the first, make 5 chain as a 1 double crochet and 2 chain, and then make 2 chain in the same space. Then in the next 1 chain space, make 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. In the next space, 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet. Repeat this until the end of the row, and in the end, before the chain of the start, make 1 double crochet and join with the slip stitch to the third chain. Move to the 2 chain space by the slip stitch and then make 3 chain as 1 double crochet and 6 double crochet into the same space. Then we must make 7 double crochet into the each next 2 chain spaces. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Go to the next space and again make 7 double crochet into the 2 chain space. Keep going to the end of the row, and in the end of the row join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain, cut the yarn, and again fasten off by my favorite way to hide the tail of the yarn. Look at, it's very perfect. Then hide tail of the yarn between the stitches and cut it. Now for the round 4, bring your next color, start from each stitches you like, and then make 1 single crochet into the each 7 stitches, and between the 2 clusters of 7 double crochet, we must make 1 double crochet into the previous row, into the 3rd row, and then make 1 single crochet into the each next 7 stitches, and again make 1 double crochet into the 2 previous row, and again make 1 single crochet into the each next 7 stitches. Do it for all stitches you have in this row until the end. In the end, make 1 double crochet in the previous row, and then join with the slip stitch to the 1st stitch, cut the yarn and fasten off with my favorite way to hide the yarn. Please let me know how you fasten off your tail of the yarns in the comment below. Cut the yarn. Here is our African flower, and now with the next color, start from double crochet that we made into the previous row, and then make 6 chain as 1 treble stitch and 3 chain. Then make 1 treble stitch into the same place and 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, then make 1 single crochet into the each next 4 stitches, 2, 3, and 4, and make 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, and again make 1 single crochet into the each next 4 stitches. Make 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the each next 2 stitches, and make 1 treble stitch into the next space, 3 chain, and 1 treble stitch into the same stitch. Now we must repeat the stitches. Make 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, and 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the each next 4 stitches, and 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, and 1 single crochet into the each next 4 stitches, and 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the each next 2 stitches. Again, we must make corner, make 1 treble stitch, 3 chain, 1 treble stitch into the next stitch, and repeat this pattern until the end. Here to here. Repeat these stitches until the end. In the corner, 1 treble stitch, 3 chain, 1 treble stitch, 2 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 4 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 4 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, and repeat this until the end. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the 4th chain. Go to the 3 chain space by the slip stitch and make 6 chain as 1 treble stitch and 2 chain. Make 2 treble stitch into the corner space, and then make 1 double crochet into the each next stitches until the next corner. Make 1 double crochet into the each stitches. Into the next corner, must make 2 treble stitch, 2 chain, and 2 treble stitch. 2 chain and 2 treble stitch. Repeat this pattern until the end of the row. In the corner, 2 treble stitch, 2 chain, 2 treble stitch, and 1 double crochet into the each next stitches until the next corner. Repeat until the end. In the end, make 1 treble stitch in the corner space, and then make slip stitch to the 4th chain. Cut the yarn and fasten off. Hide the yarn and then cut it. This is how I crochet African flower granny square. Also, you will need this chart which shows where to change the colors and rows. You can just pause the video here to view it and take a screenshot from it. And this is my African flower bag that I make it with this granny square. You can join the square together by the tutorial that I taught you in my last videos. You can find them in the link I placed for you on the top of the screen in the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like it, please let me know in the comment below. And if you are new in this channel, remember to subscribe and click the bell to receive the notification of my new videos. Love you all. Happy crocheting. Goodbye.